here's a quick look side by side with the Can-Am next to it. So, all right, let's go see how this thing drives. Okay, Wednesday, April 3rd, 6:30 in the morning. A couple quick things before I go for my first run here. One, it does come in LiPo mode, which is always strange when they include a nickel battery with it. And two, using a different plug, frustrating a little bit because the Maverick uses the EC3 plugs. Would be nice to be able to share batteries, but it is what it is. And I'm used to using a lot of different radios, so that's not a big deal to me, but I don't understand this radio choice here. But here we go. All right, another point. No on-off switch. As soon as you plug the battery in, it is on. I've never liked cars that do that. All right, quick test indoor on the shop floor here. I didn't bring my good camera lens with a harness. They are different tires from what the Can-Am uses. Unfortunately, the shop's full today, so I don't have a lot of space to run in here. All right, seems okay. Wasn't good for one-hand driving, but we'll try it. Yeah, not good. Can do it, not very well, but okay, Wednesday, April 3rd. It was a little after 6 p.m. at night. And let's see how this thing does out here on the grass. About like most 18 scales do. Not bad. So it's not easy to drive one-handed. I don't like this controller that much, I can tell you that much. Not bad. Turn, you idiot. Stuck on something. Stick. Okay, unlike the Maverick, you ain't gonna roll this thing. At least not in this way. Okay.